What's the meaning of Hanukkah? Hanukkah. Hanukkah.
Hanukkah. Hanukkah. Hanukkah is a Jewish holiday that commemorates the rededication of the Holy Temple in Jerusalem. It is celebrated for 8 days and nights, beginning on the 25th day of the Hebrew month of Kislev. The holiday is also known as the Festival of Lights, and it is marked by the lighting of a 9-branched candelabrum called a menorah. Each night of Hanukkah, an additional candle is lit until all 8 candles and a 9th, the shamash or helper candle, are burning brightly. The holiday includes games, gifts, and traditional foods such as lax and sufganiyat.